how to repost Instagram story as a post or whether it's possible to do that or not. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Instagram on your device. Now tap on the plus icon on your story. Now select the photo you want to upload and click on your story. Now wait for the story to upload. Then open up the story. Now when you tap on share to, now when you search for Instagram, as you can see there is no option for Instagram post. Even when you tap on three dots, as you can see there is no option to post as Instagram post. The only thing you can do is go back to the story, then tap on three dots and click on save photo, then go back, then tap on the plus icon, then tap on post. Now select the post, now select the photo and tap on next, then tap on next and click on share. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and the bell icon. See you in the next video.